Have tons of channels and ready to reach more customers? Now, reaching and managing your customers on various channels is as easy as one click. Expand your reach to your customers with the Qiscus Omnichannel widget. Having trouble finding the right widget for your website? Now you only need to and see? Now you are ready to make your own widget. All you need to do is create a link to your channel, upload an icon, and you can now have more than 5 channels on your own widget for your website. Have a problem managing customers coming from so many channels? Worry no more! Managing your customers is easier now with the Merge Customers feature. Is the same person reaching your business from multiple channels? Worry no more! With Merge Customers, you can combine customer profiles from different channels under the same customer name. Managing your customer data now is never as easy as this. Mistakenly merge your contact? Worry no more! You can unmerge customers and make them into individual contacts again with just a few clicks. And done! Finally! Do you want to broadcast your messages efficiently? Check out our new feature, Broadcast All Channels. Broadcast your messages on many channels simultaneously with just one click. Choose your message template, preview it, then schedule the broadcast or send it right away. Voila! It's as simple as that. Start your omnichannel journey now with Qiscus. Qiscus, enabling conversations.